Here we have a 2019 19 plate BMW 530d M Sport Touring. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just behind behind those you do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have your LED headlights as well as your black Kinder Girls. Blacked out styling on this vehicle, so you do get the black window trim, black roof bars and also the privacy glass on the rear. Now we do have front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Power assisted rear tailgate with a split fold tailgate, which makes it a lot easier to get stuff into the back. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Going to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points pull down armrest just in the centre. We also have storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat. Electric windows with your BMW individual trim. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat, fully electrically adjustable. Now the driver's seat is also memory, like the passenger is just heated and electric. Now jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto light, multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if you set the car into manual mode. Keyless start from touch of a button. Now as you can see this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Wait for that to walk. Now has done just over 47,424 and again it's free from any warning lights on the dash. Satellite navigation in the centre which is touchscreen, rear reversing camera just there as well. As you can see just there, your front and rear parking sensors. Satellite navigation, media connectivity via Bluetooth, you also have your DAB just there as well on your home screen with all your different information. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity and also other different features there, electric parking brake auto hold, and then all the other features, dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats which work exactly how you would expect them to, as you can see just there. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does we'll do a full walk around video going around all the different specifications that this vehicle has. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.